Communities in northern Mindanao are beginning to pick up the pieces after the onslaught of tropical storm Bashang. Here's the report.
The remains of 4 family members killed in a landslide are now laid in state at a gym in Barangay Agusan, Cagayan de Oro City. The landslide struck their home in Zone 1, Sambulawan, past 10 p.m. Thursday after continuous rains brought by Tropical Storm Bashang. The Larioso family home was buried under soil. Among those killed were spouses Paul and Rufa, along with their 2 nieces, a teenage girl and an 11-month-old infant. 4 of the couple's children and 2 other nieces survived and are still recovering in the hospital. The father of the teenage victim is overwhelmed with grief.
Ana na ko sa iya, nga wala iko'y pagkulang nga pagatiman sa imo. Pero imo lang kong gibiyaan, dapat unta magdugan na muban na lang unta ko. Balangga tayo nga bata.
The local government has taken responsibility for the wake and burial expenses of the victims. According to the Cagayan de Oro CDRRMO, more than 200 families have been affected by Tropical Storm Bashang. Meanwhile, Iligan City in Lanao del Norte has placed under a state of calamity due to the severe damage left by the storm. Thousands of residents remain in evacuation centers. Among them is Grace, who recently gave birth.
Napakahirap talaga ng sitwasyon namin ngayon. Walang tubig, walang kuryente. Humihingi kami ng tulong gaya ng mga damit kasi kawawa yung mga bata, tsaka mga gamot.
Residents whose homes remain intact have begun clean-up operations. Many establishments in the city were also affected, either covered in thick mud or blocked by logs swept down from the mountains, like what happened to this gasoline station. Some vehicles also remain stranded after being carried by floodwaters.
For the whole region, 25,011 families, and then 78,834 individuals, and they are staying in a total of 103 evacuation centers. That's all throughout the region.
For One News, I'm Bril Montalvo. We are One News.